Hello, good old stomping ground. I believe you are ready for some action. So welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. I'm at a place where you guys see me fish it pretty often. We are out here on a shallow river. I see some fish right now. I'm getting so anxious to talk to you guys and targeting smallmouth, rock bass, anything that swim basically, and hopefully we put up a good video for you guys. So with that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already out here. I'll see you there. Guys, as I'm fixing this right now, all I see are gars. Freaking gars hanging out in the shallows. Insane, dude. Like, I couldn't even talk to you guys, so that's how hyped that was. Crazy, dude. Crazy. There's gars swimming around the area. That is so freaking cool. The long-nosed gar, if anything. There's like a bed right here too. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's going to pick it up. You got it. You got it. Oh my gosh. You got it. It's a rock bass. First cast. Rock bass on a bed. Yes. Oh my god, it's a big one. Rock bass on a bed, guys. First freaking cast. What? Dude, no way. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. And I brought a red one just for rock bass. Look at the gars over there. I'm gonna release it real quick. Let's see if I can get these gars to eat. Holy cow, dude. There's a bunch of gars out there. It's a gar or a smallie or something. Got him. Got him. I think it's a smallie. I got him. Yup. I think it's a smallie. Oh yeah, it's a smallie. It's not a giant, but it's a good fish. Dang, I thought it was the gar. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, there's a gar right there. Dude, the gar is chasing the smallie. Holy smoke. The gar is chasing the smallie. He's right there. Look, he's right there. He's right there. There's a gar chasing the smallie right now. Oh, look, he's right there. He's right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was so cool. It was a smallmouth. Nice. I was hoping it was the gar. That's a beautiful smallmouth bass, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the pattern on that thing. Holy cow. Catch and release. Oh, there's some creek chubs too. Okay. So now we know those are smallies. I really want to try to catch the gars. That was so freaking cool. I just got here too, guys. Literally just got here. See if we get these gars to bite. I really want to catch one for you guys. Got him. I don't know what it is. I don't know what that is. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a smallmouth. Nice. I thought it was a freaking rock bass. Dude, another fatty. Dude, so much fish in this area. Insane, dude. Oh my god, relax. They're so mean. They're so mean. Chill. They're so girthy too. Bro, I haven't even taken out the worm yet. They're loaded in here. Chasing bait fish. The Labby 2.0, guys. See ya. Oh, look at all the gars. Look at all the gars. Oh my gosh, they're right in front of me. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I've seen so much gar in front of me before. That's crazy. I know I need to chill out. I'm like freaking out right now, guys. There's fish everywhere. Insane, dude. Danny just top water a nice rock bass.
Oh, stuck in the gill.
Oh man.
Want to help me?
Nope. I'm just kidding. Got it?
No,
Use
I don't want to hurt him.
Oh, it's fine. Just took you long enough.
There, right in front of me.
Beautiful rock bass right there. Yawn, boys. It's a rock bass. Oh yeah. Dude, tank. Oh my gosh, look at that. Bro, I want to keep some now. I didn't bring my stringer though. Danny, look. Dang, look how beautiful that is. My goodness, boss. My goodness. Absolute gorgeous fish. What? There's so much rock bass already. Oh, look at that one. That's a red horse right there. Shiny.
Dang, no.
Got him.
Nice.
He actually ate. Oh, jeez, jeez.
Dude.
Yep, there we go. That's the nice one. That's the red horse that I was aiming for. He crushed it, dude. Look at that, bro.
Nice, I saw that.
Look how beautiful they are.
That was cool.
Oh my gosh, look at them. Yeah, usually when they're spawning like this, they don't fight too hard. But look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh.
That was cool.
It looks like vein. Oh, geez, he's not done yet. Look at the head on this thing, dude. Look at his face.
What?
Dude, like the thorn head on this thing is amazing.
Dang.
He absolutely inhaled that freaking... I can't even lip him, bro. Relax, like, do not jump, do not jump. There we go. Okay. Jeez. So strong, dude. There's the profile. Oh, geez, look at this guy. Dude, this is insane. I've never caught these in a long time. Wow. Danny, bro, I'm oozing, bro. I'm oozing, bro. What happened? Guys, look at how beautiful this creek chub is. Gorgeous fish. Look at the color on that thing, the accent. So cool. Yeah.
Got it?
There you go. Don't touch it no more.
Touch it?
Nice fish.
What
is that? What is that?
is that? Oh, David got a fish. David got a fish.
What's a sucker?
Ooh, it's a nice sucker, dude. Hey, it looks like you, man. Oh,
Got me all wet. Hey, wipe this real quick. Come over here.
Damn, it's stretched, bro.
Look at that beautiful sucker, dude. Look at the face. There's thorns growing out of his face, dude. I mean, it's ready to evolve, actually.
We should call Peter. Got another one, man. Look.
Rock bass. Nice rock bass.
Ooh, that's a big rock.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
What? Dude, look at that, man. Look at that rock bass. Gee, that's a huge rocky, bro.
Dude, that's crazy. There's another one right there. You see it?
Yeah.
Man, next time I'm coming back, I'm eating these. Buddy. Dude, I love how they crush that bait. Oh, what the? Big old rock bass, dude.
Dang, bro.
Came out of nowhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop, please. Please stop.
No, babe, this
Oh
is
my
huge,
gosh.
Bro. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
No, it's huge.
Dude, no. Dude, that's a big. Bro, that looks like a smallie, bro.
Oh my god.
You need a picture of that,
I
dude.
need a picture of this. Yes, I do.
Holy. Dude, that thing is...
Guys, I just caught an absolute beautiful brute rock bass. Dude, look how big it is. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna release it right here. Catch and release. One last look. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing. Thanks, Fang. This is a flamingo, man. Dude, I just caught a huge rock bass, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. I wasn't recording, but oh my gosh. Dang, this thing's huge.
Dude, that thing is massive.
Right there, double up, man. Look at that.
Look at that comparison, dude.
Insane. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that, guys.
Dude.
Charlie's.